Alright everyone, tonight we're going to talk about something invisible, something you don't notice until it's already working. It's not a bug, it's not a scam, and it's not some secret code hidden deep in the source files. It's the system itself, the invisible web that pulls you in every time you log on, that decides what you play, what you see, and even how long you stay. Roblox doesn't just let you explore its world. It designs the world so you never want to leave it. This is the story of how Roblox traps you in the algorithm, and why every single game you play is built to keep you there. Let's start from the beginning. You open Roblox. The homepage loads instantly, bright and clean. A wall of colorful tiles with names like Simulator, Tycoon, Adventure, Roleplay. But those games aren't random. Every one of them is there for a reason. Roblox already knows what kind of player you are. It's been tracking your behavior, how long you play, what games you click, how often you spend Robux, what kinds of thumbnails catch your eye. It even measures how fast you scroll. Every micro action gets recorded and fed into a recommendation engine that works like a slot machine, endlessly recalibrating itself to show you the next thing most likely to make you click again. That's not an accident. Roblox's recommendation system isn't about discovery, it's about retention. The goal isn't to show you something new. It's to show you something that feels new but keeps you trapped in the same cycle. That's why the front page feels like it's full of the same games, because that's what the algorithm knows you'll stay in longest. It's not curating based on quality, it's curating based on addiction. And once you click, you're inside the second layer of the trap, the game's internal algorithm. Every major Roblox developer knows how to design around it. They've learned to feed the system what it wants: consistent engagement, high session time, low bounce rate. That's why every popular game now starts the same way. A shiny tutorial, a quick dopamine hit, and a reward before you've even done anything. The goal is to make sure you don't leave in the first 60 seconds, because the algorithm will punish the game if you do. It's not about fun, it's about metrics. If you leave too soon, the game loses visibility, so the developers manipulate your brain to stay. It starts with constant motion, flashing progress bars, level up sounds, reward notifications. You're always one step away from the next achievement. Every sound, every sparkle, every congratulations is designed to keep your dopamine spiking. It's the same psychological loop used by casinos, intermittent rewards that keep you clicking, just to see what comes next. Roblox games are structured around variable reinforcement, meaning the reward schedule is unpredictable. Sometimes you win big, sometimes you get nothing, and that unpredictability is what makes you stay. And then, right when your interest starts to dip, the game throws in a new hook: daily rewards, limited time events, double XP weekends. It's not creativity, it's strategy. Developers don't design these features to enhance gameplay. They design them to enhance stickiness, because Roblox's algorithm rewards games that keep players logged in longer. The longer you stay, the higher the game ranks, the more Roblox promotes it, and the more Robux the developer earns. So every minute of your playtime becomes data. Every second you stay becomes profit. Even the recommended for you section is part of the same loop. It doesn't show you games you might like. It shows you games that people like you got addicted to. Roblox's AI clusters players into psychological profiles. If your play pattern matches a group of players who spent hours in a simulator last week, the system floods your feed with similar simulators. It's digital peer pressure. You're being nudged toward the same habits as the people who couldn't stop. The algorithm doesn't care what you enjoy. It cares what keeps you busy. And this cycle doesn't end when you leave one game. It just resets. The moment you exit, Roblox immediately throws you another recommendation. Players who liked this also played. It's not suggestion, it's direction. The system doesn't want you idle. Idle time is a metric that triggers concern. Roblox knows the exact point when users tend to log off, usually after a long grind or a disappointment, so it rushes to fill that void. That's why new games always autoplay in trailers. Why the homepage refreshes automatically. The platform doesn't give you time to breathe. It's a constant push to keep clicking, keep scrolling, keep consuming. Even Roblox's social features are built to trap you. The friends are playing section weaponizes your social circle. Seeing your friend's avatar in a game creates FOMO, Fear of missing out, one of the most powerful engagement tools in digital design. You don't want to be left behind, so you join. And once you do, the algorithm marks that connection as a success. It learns that showing you games your friends play increases retention, so it shows you more of them. The cycle tightens. The machine learns faster. But the most insidious part isn't what you see, it's what you don't. Roblox's algorithm quietly suppresses games that don't perform well. If a developer makes something creative, but it doesn't generate long session times or microtransactions, it gets buried. No one sees it. The front page becomes a filtered reflection of what the system deems profitable. That's why new developers struggle to break in. Their ideas don't fail because they're bad. They fail because the algorithm doesn't care about creativity. It only cares about consistency. And the only consistent thing in Roblox now is the grind. Developers know this. They build games with infinite loops. Systems that can go on forever without an endpoint. There's no final level. No true victory. There's always a new pet to hatch. A new rebirth to unlock. A new leaderboard to climb. Every mechanic is designed to make quitting feel like losing. And the deeper you go, the harder it is to walk away. Your time investment becomes emotional investment. You don't want to lose progress, so you stay. And Roblox calls that player engagement. Even the way Roblox handles notifications is predatory. When you log off, Roblox sends reminders, push alerts, friend invites, event pings, all designed to pull you back. Developers can trigger these through update notifications, meaning they can literally call you back into their games whenever engagement dips. It's not communication, it's conditioning. The algorithm notices when you've been gone too long and acts like a digital dealer tapping your shoulder. Hey, your streak is waiting. It doesn't stop there. Roblox Premium, the monthly subscription, ties directly into this system. Premium users are prioritized by the algorithm. Their play data is worth more, because premium players spend more, so games that appeal to premium users get boosted in rankings. That's why so many Roblox games offer exclusive rewards for premium members. Not to thank them, but to attract the algorithm's attention. Developers know that catering to premium players gets them better visibility. It's a loop within a loop, money feeding exposure, exposure feeding money. And it works frighteningly well. Roblox's engagement metrics have skyrocketed in recent years. Not because the games got better, but because the algorithm got smarter. It learned how to manipulate boredom, curiosity, and social pressure. It learned that showing you new experiences is risky, but showing you more of what you already like is safe. So it keeps you in a bubble. A perfectly tailored feed where everything looks different, but feels the same. Roblox has become a self-replicating machine for comfort and control. What's really disturbing is how early it starts. Kids as young as 6 or 7 are being trained by this system. They learn to chase rewards, fear missing streaks, and value repetition over exploration. They think they're choosing what to play, but the algorithm's already chosen for them. It's digital conditioning on a mass scale, disguised as entertainment. Roblox isn't just shaping what kids play, it's shaping how they think. And the developers? They're trapped too. The algorithm doesn't just control players, it controls creators. If you're a developer, you can't afford to make a short, narrative-driven game. The system won't promote it. You have to make something infinite, grindy, and monetizable. The algorithm punishes creativity and rewards addiction. It's not a creative economy. It's a behavioral one. Every successful developer has learned the same painful truth on Roblox. The player isn't the customer. The player is the product. Roblox itself barely hides this. In their financial reports, they brag about engagement hours. Not player happiness, not satisfaction, just raw time. The more hours you spend inside, the better the numbers look to investors. It doesn't matter if you're bored, frustrated, or stuck in a loop. As long as you stay, Roblox wins. The company measures success in captivity, not creativity. And yet, the players keep coming back. Because the algorithm works. It's invisible, silent, and precise. It doesn't yell at you to stay. It whispers. It rewards you just enough to keep you hooked. It hides the fact that your curiosity isn't your own anymore. It's been monetized. Roblox isn't just a game platform. It's a digital behavioral lab, testing millions of people every day, refining the perfect way to keep them playing. The scariest part? The longer you play, the deeper it learns. The algorithm gets more accurate. It knows when you're bored. It knows when to show you something new. It knows exactly how to keep you from closing the tab. And when you do finally log off, it already knows how to bring you back. Roblox's algorithm doesn't need to trap you physically. It just needs to make sure you never stop thinking about it. That's how it wins. So the next time you find yourself scrolling through the front page, unable to decide what to play but still clicking, still looking, still searching, ask yourself if you're the one choosing, or if the algorithm already chose for you. Because on Roblox, freedom isn't measured by how much you can play. It's measured by how hard it is to stop.